Welcome to EnergySolutions Clive Disposal Facility. My name is Jeff Gardner and I'm the Vice President of Operations here. And we want to just take a few minutes to show you around and show you what we do. EnergySolutions is a worldwide nuclear services company with operations in the United Kingdom, Canada, and all across the United States. So what I'm going to show you today is the process that we go through to take a waste from the time it arrives till it's unloaded and then finally disposed of in an engineered disposal embankment with a secure cap over the top of it. Here we are at the truck check-in point. About 70% of the shipments that arrive at our facility come in by rail car. The other 30% come in by truck. Regardless of how they arrive, each shipment has to be inspected to make sure it meets the Department of Transportation rules, the Utah Radiation Control rules, and that all happens right here. Next, we're going to take you and show you how a shipment is unloaded. Once the truck or rail shipment has been inspected and we've accepted it, we bring it over here to our unloading area where we can transfer it into the controlled area, take it up to the disposal area where it'll be placed into its final location. So what is it exactly that we dispose of that comes in these rail cars or truck shipments? Well, it's dirt, it's piping, it's pumps, and it's protective clothing that got contaminated from workers who are working at a nuclear power plant. And that's the low-level material we dispose of here at Clive. This is a disposal cell. Safely below me is the final resting place for the Class A material. Now, the Clive location was selected because of its great geology and arid climate. And the concept behind our disposal configuration is that we protect or isolate this from the environment. And we put a clay liner underneath, a clay cap on top with rock armor on top. And that's what makes this location so vital to the nuclear industry and to the country. On the site here, we have a very robust environmental monitoring program. For example, we have over 30 of these air sampling stations, like you see behind me here. It looks kind of like a birdhouse. We also have over 90 groundwater monitoring wells. We have over 60 soil sampling stations. Now, the analyses from each of these sampling points are collected into a report and submitted to our state regulators. And that's a way that we can demonstrate that we're always in compliance. Here we are at one of our 3 access control points. As we said, everything at EnergySolutions is about safety. So in this area, our workers would put on their protective clothing. They would receive a worker briefing about the area that they're going to be working in. And they would also put on one of these electronic dosimeters that would measure any radiation exposure they might receive. Once they're finished working in the area, they'd go through one of these portal monitors to make sure they don't have any contamination on their clothing. And here at EnergySolutions, we are really proud of the fact that we've worked over 3 million hours without a lost time injury. We appreciate you taking time to watch our short video tour. If you'd like to find out more or take a tour in person, give us a call. And thanks for your interest in EnergySolutions.